Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a reproducible environment so nothing breaks later. Create a virtualenv, activate it, and pip install transformers, accelerate, and Hugging Face hub. Next, sign into Hugging Face, create an API token, and save it to your machine as HF Home or use Hugging Face CLI login. Once done, verify your token by running a quick Hugging Face Hub Who Am I call. This ensures authenticated access and avoids permission errors when pulling or pushing models. You now load and run a model with practical options in mind. Call Auto Tokenizer. From pretrained and auto model for causal LM. From pretrained with device map equals auto or explicitly move model to CUDA to optimize speed. Tokenize your prompt with return tensors equals PT and attention mask. For text generation, set max length, temperature, top P, and do sample according to desired creativity. If memory spikes, use 8-bit loading or accelerate launch. Make sure to stream outputs for long responses to keep the UI responsive. You finish by deploying and making the model reliable in production. Pack inference into a lightweight API or use Hugging Face inference for scalability and add batching to reduce overhead. Optimize performance with quantization, mixed precision, or model. Parallelize, test throughput under realistic load. If something fails, examine GPU memory, token length versus model context, and mismatched weights or tokenizer versions. As a quick tip, reproduce the issue locally with tiny inputs and read the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.